Mark your calendars, grab your election day buddy, and get ready to vote. Voting is so important, but when it comes to election day, we can often feel like casting that vote is just one of the things on a list of a million that we need to accomplish. Today, we're here to help you strategize the ways that you can prioritize casting your vote in the next election. Check your schedules to see how busy or free you might be on election day. This will help inform your method of voting. It's also good to check in with your employer about any company days off and check your state laws. You might have some paid leave that you can use just for elections. Set yourself up for success. Now that you've consulted your schedule, you have a better idea of how it will be easiest for you to vote. Consider all of your options. Do you want to vote absentee? Do you want to do a mail-in ballot? Do you want to be an early voter? All of the options will be laid out for you on your state's website. Also make sure that you have registered to vote. Keep an eye out for your mail because you might receive your voter registration card in the mail with your polling place and all of the information you need so you know that you've already completed that step. If you plan on casting your vote in person, think through the logistics. What time of day do you plan on voting? What's going to be your method of transportation? And then also make sure to pack the essentials. You might want to take your voter registration card just as a fail-safe. Always pack a snack. You don't know how long you're going to be out. And grab some water to stay hydrated. Don't forget to also consider the logistics of anyone else who you're responsible for or whose household logistics might affect your own. Do your kids need a sitter or someone to pick them up from school? Does your dog need walking? Make sure to work these things into your plan. Grab your election day buddy. Having a buddy helps keep you accountable to make sure the job gets done. No matter what roadblocks you run into on your journey to cast your vote, remember why you're voting. Think of something really personal that keeps you engaged as a voter, and that will push you forward to make sure you cast your vote. However you go about submitting your ballot, we hope your voting experience is a good one. For more ways our organizers can be of assistance, check out the rest of our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram at Mission to Organize. See you guys next time.